Hello there. My name is Hector Amavisca, also known as Narisa Amavisca. I've been illustrator and animator, 2D animator for the past 20 years, and I've been working on some movies and video games, anything that has to be with 2D art. And what I'm going to show you today is how to add digital color on my two favorite techniques that I use. Of course, we all start with the sketch, and where we can make as many mistakes as we want, and then we start with the cleanup with a better line quality. I like to say, and we just start adding color. We bring a reference to our file, so we can pick the color that we want. Just start adding solid color to the illustration, and on a layer below, and on a layer above, we use the multiply effect, so we can add some shadows. And we duplicate everything, so we can mark general lights, and we mix everything into one single layer, so we can use the soften tool. When we mix everything that we just made, the line and the color, solid color, and lights and shadows, and we mix everything with the soften tool. And the other technique is almost like the same steps: sketch, cleanup, solid color. The only difference here is that when we use the multiply effect, we just have to be more careful to define the shadows. And yep, one layer above, we use the overlay effect. When we use not totally white lights, where we mark some lining with that effect. And that's it. I hope you like it. Don't forget to practice, and don't forget to follow me on all my social medias at Narisa Mavisca, and see you later.